DC Ranch golfers, Dick Hyland reporting again. This is Thursday morning, 11:25, and I just want to get you up to date on some stuff that's happening. So we are having to use a first tee start because of the social distancing mandate that we have as a club to keep not only you safe, but to keep the staff safe, because without the staff being here, we have no golf available. When we have 4 carts going out in a group, and thus 2 groups going out on 1 and 10, we have 8 carts coming in, and it just makes it really tough for the staff. So we are going to go to a first tee start starting at 7 a.m. and that would be on Tuesday, July the 7th, which means that 7 days in advance we will open up tee time starting at 6 a.m. So 6 a.m., 7 days in advance. So that would make it, I think that would be June the 30th, to make a tee time for 7 a.m. on July the 7th, and we'll go a straight tee off number 1 from there on out until further notice. We've got to keep these kids safe, we've got to keep you safe, and this is the way we're going to do it. Secondly, some bad news. Due to the virus, we are not going to take any risks with having the Inferno nor the Scorcher, so they have been canceled for this coming year. We hope you understand. We're sorry, we wanted to give you enough time to let your guests know what's happening. Additionally, on 4th of July, Saturday, we're using a one-way 1st and 10th tee start from 7:30 in the morning till 9:20. There are but a couple of tee times available. The club will, from a golf standpoint, close down at 2 o'clock. The horseshoe will be open for those that want to walk and carry. On the 18-hole course, that'll be open, but the golf shop and the practice area will close at 2 p.m. A couple of other things I'd like to point out to you. I'm standing here on the left side of the 10th fairway, and I've heard rumor after rumor about the course conditions this summer. These conditions are not unlike any other summer, any other club that has a Bermuda base platform for their golf courses. We've looked at all the clubs around the valley, and quite frankly, it's as good as anyone or better than most. And let me explain some things so you know the truth. If you've got grass in your backyard and you overseed it in the fall with ryegrass, this time of year you're probably showing Bermuda decline because of the shade that the ryegrass, when you grow it up, offers over top of the Bermuda grass. As you look down here, you can see that we've got a lot of bare spots at the moment, and that's because this is the intermediate cut that goes between the primary rough and the fairway. You'll notice that the primary rough, which hasn't been overseeded in 2 years, is lush, it's thick, it's dense, it's green. Then we get to the intermediate, and because of the ryegrass, because it's at 1.5 inches, it doesn't get any sunlight from essentially November 1 through May, and thus when the ryegrass says I'm out of here, you look down and the Bermuda grass says, you know what, you haven't given me any sun for 6 months. I'm going to try and grow as fast as I can once the dew points get up and once the humidity gets up, but it's going to take a little bit of time. And then as we look over into the fairway, because the fairway was at a 1/2 inch cut, even though it was overseeded, the sunlight had a chance to get into the Bermuda grass base all fall, all winter, all spring, and that's why it's not showing the decline that the intermediate rough is showing us at this point. That is the reason why you're seeing the decline. We didn't kill any grass. That's just the natural transition that we're going through. So if you've got any questions, please let us know, because as we say all the time, the rumor mill will kill us. If you've got any other additional questions, please let us know. I just wanted to report back. Have a great day. Stay safe.